So I've kind of got another unboxing video. This is the part 2 of the finale, and here we have the keycaps that I've ordered. I was going to do a full custom keyboard modifying video, but I will do that, but I'm going to break down each part into segments. So the keycaps came first, and let's just take a look. So I got the Kalino Heats. They're PBT sub-delimitation. Whatever the word is called. It's good quality. It's made out of PBT, not ABS, although I like ABS because of their aesthetic. PBTs do last longer, and now let's just open it up. Okay, you know what? I'm visually stunning. Even at the bottom part. Okay, it's visually stunning. It's beautiful. I gotta say, that looks just beautiful. I mean, the webcam right now is bad. The webcam is coming on Sunday, but it just looks visually appealing. And later, I could even use this foam as dampening foam for the keyboard later. So let's just put this on the side. Okay, and now let's take on the keycaps, shall we? I'm gonna hit the time lapse. So I've taken off all of the keys, and now since all of the keys are out, I might as well do a tutorial on how to clean your keyboard. So right next to me, I got my trusty dust off. You probably cannot see, but it's a little dirty inside, and so what you want to do really is just get that gunk out. But you don't want to be too hard that you might get the lube everywhere. And you certainly do not want to get any of the lube everywhere, because then everything's going to stick. It's going to be a pain. I'm already seeing lube all over the place, but eventually I'm going to have to re-lube anyways, so that's really it. Not too big of a deal. If you want to get a paintbrush, you can. I'm not going to get a paintbrush until like maybe a year later, but you know what? It doesn't matter. All good things come to an end. So, just gonna place. I'm having some bitter debate. I mean, these keycaps look beautiful, but I mean, okay, let's first put the first row. Okay, so we got our escape key. Now we got this backspace, beautiful cyan, turquoise, whatever you call it. Somehow it creates less rattle, which I love. It's making some nice sounds already. I'm loving it. freaking go, dude. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my god. Y'all gotta see this, dude. It is beautiful. The only thing, like, difference I would make is if they were to... Oh, the LEDs still shine. That's pog. Okay. Okay, the last thing I actually do want to change, though, is... Let's see if the WASD, if we change it to these, would it look even better is the question. You know what? It looks aight, honestly. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep it, and you guys in the comments decide if I'm going to keep it, okay? Okay. I'm gonna clean my desk now. Thank you for watching part 2 of the grand finale, and see you guys next time.